Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
A little bit, ma'am.
It's okay. At least you can communicate and you can understand, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes po, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes po, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
No, ma'am.
So you are healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you are unwell or if you are not healthy, better don't apply abroad, okay? Better you stay in the Philippines so that you cannot give us also trouble, yeah? So as long as
Yes
you
po,
are
ma'am.
healthy and you are okay, then it's okay. Fine, you can come here. Yeah?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Hello po, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm Nerlin Silubay. I live in I live in Porok Extension, CDO. My height 5, my religion Bragen, my color skin brown, zip code 9,000, sorry. Zip code 9,000, my nationality Filipino. My birthplace Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte. My marital status married, weight 50. My age 29 years old. My
Okay, ate, so I need to know some few more details from you, okay? So you are
yes po, ma'am.
29 years old, correct?
Yes po, ma'am.
You are married.
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
December 5, 1995.
What is your height and your weight?
5 and 50.
Okay, what is your religion?
Born again, ma'am.
Born again. What about your educational background?
Undergraduate, ma'am.
Undergraduate in high school,
College,
college?
ma'am. College,
Okay, in
ma'am.
what course?
Base HA, ma'am.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
Two children,
Two.
ma'am.
Okay, how old are those children?
My eldest daughter, 5 years old. My youngest son, 2 years old, ma'am.
Is your husband allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes po, ma'am.
Are you sure that he allow you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here?
My husband, ma'am, and also my mother.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
33, ma'am. My husband, 33 years old, and working checker.
Checker. Okay. So what about your mother? How old is she and what is her occupation?
My mother, 47. Housewife, ma'am.
Housewife. Your father?
Farmer.
Farmer. And how old is he?
57, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have brothers, two brothers. My sister, 7.
Okay. What is your rank in your family? So you have a big family. So what is your rank? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I'm eldest, ma'am.
You are the eldest. So you still have
Yes, ma'am.
like Teletubbies sibling.
Yes,
Small one.
ma'am.
Okay. So on your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in Philippines way back 2012 to 2017 for 4 years. Ah, 5 years,
5 years,
is it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 5 years.
Is it one employer only?
Yes, ma'am. My employer is Rosalico.
Sorry.
Then
Sorry. Okay, so in which place in the Philippines?
Gusta, ma'am. Gusta.
Which place is that?
Gusa and Cagayan de Oro.
Oh, Cagayan de Oro. Okay, so
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Cagayan?
I wake up in early in the morning at 3 a.m. and I go upstairs and sweeper and mop.
Okay. You
Then
cooking?
if after
You
I
do cooking, laundry, ironing?
yes, ma'am, I cooking and laundry.
Oh. So did you take your children there?
Yes, ma'am, I take care of the children.
How many children they have?
4 children, ma'am.
Oh, so many. Okay, so how old are those children that you take care in your employer before?
Ano, ma'am? The the youngest 2 years old the time, and
Okay.
the the, the younger 3 years old.
Three.
3 years old, ma'am.
Two, three, and then
13 years old and 16 years old po, ma'am.
13 and 16 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after 2017, do you have any working experience? Or you already been a full-time mother?
I working fast food chain, ma'am, in Jollibee,
Oh, so
2018.
okay. How many years you work in Jollibee?
1 year, ma'am.
What year is it?
2019, 2018, 2019.
Okay, so you know that being a domestic helper is a very tough job. It is very hard. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes po, ma'am. I'm willing.
Okay,
I
you
do
need
my
to be
best.
flexible. Okay, you need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Because houses here is very big. There is no such a small houses. Okay, you need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
fasten your seat belt. Okay, you need to get ready. Because working abroad is not that so easy. I am just giving you the reality of working here. Okay? You might
Yes, ma'am.
feel
I understand.
homesick frequently. Homesickness will strike you anytime because this is your first time working abroad. Do you think you can endure your homesickness? You can handle homesick.
I handle my homesick,
So,
mom.
so how will you gonna handle your homesickness? What will you
I,
do if you miss
I,
your children?
I, I, I always pray, mom.
You always pray.
Pray.
Okay. So, are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
I'm willing, mom.
Okay. Are you okay to take care elderly people?
It's okay, mom. I'm willing to take care of
Okay.
the elder.
Can you cook?
I cook, mom.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
If okay, mom, I willing to try.
Okay. So, are you okay to take care pets?
I try my best, mom, to take care of the pet.
Okay. Are you afraid of any dogs or cats?
Yes, mom. I'm afraid.
But you okay to take care pets? Yes or no?
It's okay. I'm willing to try my best to take care of the pet.
Okay. So, as I have mentioned, you need to embrace yourself because you might experience those unexpected things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Okay? We are
Yes,
not
mom.
playing around here. You will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you break your
Yes, po,
contract, you
mom.
know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, mom. I understand.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finished your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay? Or do you agree with our terms and conditions?
It's okay po, ma'am.
Are you sure that it's okay? Because as I have mentioned, we don't force people to come here. Okay? You were
It's
the
okay po,
one
ma'am.
who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so any problem, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Respect, follow the culture because as I have mentioned, this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries, we don't have a choice, but we need to respect the rules and regulations because we are the foreigner in their country, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Understand, ah? So, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes po, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you po, ma'am.